Good morning, students. Our today's topic is cytoplasm, which is the part of first chapter, the fundamental unit of life, cell, of ninth class. The protoplasmic mass of the cell inner to the plasma membrane and excluding nucleus is called cytoplasm. When the cell is young, the cytoplasm completely fill up the space in between the nucleus and plasma membrane. As it increases in size, a number of small cavities called vacuoles appear in the cytoplasm. Cytoplasm has two parts, cytosols and cell organelles. Cytosol is a fluid part of cytoplasm. It is viscous, nearly homogeneous and crystal colloid liquid part that contain a number of substances such as water, ions, enzymes, vitamins, amino acids, carbohydrate, lipid, protein, etc. It carries a number of metabolic reactions. The cell organelle, second part of cytoplasm. These are also called tiny organs. These are submicroscopic structures which are specialized to perform specific cellular functions. The larger and the more evolved eukaryotic cell has a lot of metabolic activities to support their complicated structure and functions. To keep different activities separate from each, the cell organelles are membrane bound in them. Membrane bound organelles are absent in prokaryotic cells. Viruses lack cytoplasm as well as membrane. Hence, they do not show characteristics of life until they enter any living cells. They do not have their own metabolic machinery. So, they utilize the metabolic machinery of the living cell of the host to multiply. Our next topic is cell wall. Here are some functions of cytoplasm. It contains raw materials. It helps to carry out number of reactions inside the cell. It helps in exchanging material. So, our next topic is cell wall. It is rigid, semi-elastic, semi-transparent, sportive and protective but permeable covering present outside the plasma membrane in plant cells, fungi, some protists and prokaryotes. Plant cells have cell wall is mainly made up of cellulose. It is fungus cellulose or chitin in fungi. Extra deposition of lignin and suberin and cutin may be present. Cellulose is a complex fibrous carbohydrate which cannot be digested by human being and several animals. Most abundant organic molecule. A cementing layer called middle lamella is present between the wall of two adjacent cells. It is formed of pectin, mostly calcium and magnesium pectate. Cell wall possesses many small pores through which adjacent cells remain connected. The connection between the adjacent cells are made up of cytoplasmic strand called plasmodesmata. The functions of cell wall. First, shape. The cell wall provides the shape to the cell. Second function is it provides mechanical strength to the plant. Third function of cell wall is cell wall protect the cell against pathogens and mechanical injury. It helps in growth. Next function, the cell wall prevent bursting of the cell on endosmosis. As water enters living cells, the protoplasm swell up and builds pressure against the cell wall. The cell wall exerts the equal and opposite pressure against the swelling protoplasm. As a result, after some endosmosis, further entry of the water into the cell is stopped. Next one is Because of cell wall, plant cells can